Hey Process Pros, let's go add a team and a role to Puzzle. So if you click on the team canvas, you're going to be brought to the place where you can structure all of your teams and roles. You'll see in the top left-hand corner, you can add a team or you can add a role. Let me explain each of these objects. So the team is represented as a section. And when you click on the section, it opens up the team sidebar. And you'll see in the team sidebar, you can name your team. You can write notes about what this team focuses on. And then by default, you will see all of the people who are assigned to the roles within the team. And then you get to see all of the tools that are used across all of the steps that each of these roles are assigned to. These are what we call tool rollups and people rollups. And the same goes for a specific role. So if I click on the sales rep, you'll see we get a roll-up of the people who are assigned to this specific role, and we get to see all of the steps organized by process that this particular role contributes to. That way, it's super easy if you have a new team member or you have a team member that you just want to bring in and train on new processes. They can come in here, click on their role, and see all of the things that they're responsible for at a glance. Let's say that we want to add a marketing manager. We're going to go ahead and name the marketing manager right here. We're going to create connectors because marketing manager will be the person who manages the content marketer, who manages all of the specialists here, and the head of demand generation is going to manage the marketing manager. Now that I've created the marketing manager role, I can go ahead and add a job description right here. I can associate the person who sits in this role. So this list right here will only show the people who are in our people canvas. So if I exit out of here, this people canvas is what that list references. So if you aren't seeing the person who you want to assign a specific role to, you have to come to the people canvas, add a person card first. We're going to say that this is Megan, the marketing manager. Come back to the team canvas, go to the role, and then now you'll be able to associate that particular person to this role. Obviously, we just created this role, so there are no steps assigned to this role. But this is what allows you to then assign roles to workflows. And so this is ultimately how the team canvas is connected to both the people canvas and the workflow canvas. So if I go over to workflows, and let's say that I go to one of my marketing steps here, maybe we want the marketing manager to be notified every time a lead comes in, informed. Now, if I click on this role, which is right here, now this connected step is associated to this specific role. As you start to assign a lot of steps to a particular role, it will look like that sales rep card that I had showed you earlier. So that is how you add a role. Adding a team is just as easy. So if I scroll over here to empty space, add my team, and maybe we want to call this team the finance team. I can expand my section, and from there, I can start to add my roles and create my org chart. And that's how the team designer works. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments. Thanks.